the fourth annual event organized by Parra citizens in association with Panchayat and like-minded people of Parra, and it is only growing bigger and bigger with our stars crossing 2000 numbers. People from all over Goa have made stars in their house and they have brought, and the theme is eco-friendly stars. We do not use plastic, we do not use thermocol, and we promote the youngsters that they should make their own star. They are the stars, future stars of Goa and India. So they have to make their own stars in their house, and they bring over here, and we give them a holder with a lamp, and it is being lit up. You can see some nice stars over here with some natural green grass also. The theme is that Goa should always remain green. We have stars over here with natural hay. We have so many stars with different types of natural items. So Goa was always natural, and we need to keep it natural. So I call upon all my fellow Goans to follow this theme what we have made for Christmas is mainly of green Goa, natural Goa, and the stars which have lit up over here in Parra. May this light shine upon entire India, especially for peace, to bring in the required peace in India. Akhya संवसारान peace मागता आयज, आमचे इंडियेक peace मागता, आणि especially may this Christmas enlighten everyone. तेंचे भितरलो उजवाड जागो जावपाक जाय, आणि आमच्या गोंयान सदांच जो पीस वातावरण आहा तेच कंटिन्यू उरपाक जाय, की इंडियेक पीस येवपाक जाय. ही मॅसेज आयज हांव क्रिसमसाची दिवंक सोदता सगळ्या आमच्या गोंयकारांक, सगळ्या आमच्या इंडियन भावांक आनी भयणांक.